Hey YouTubers, today I'm working on a 2012 Ford Escape, and I'm gonna show you how to diagnose a bad outer tie rod end. If you put your hand on 9 and 3 o'clock and shake the wheel, you need to push inwards and outwards. This is how you know that you have something loose. Now if you go on the other side and do the same thing, there's nothing. It's tight here. I don't feel or hear anything. You can do 12 and 6 o'clock and do the same thing to check for wheel bearings or ball joints or whatever it is. So if you come here in the back of the wheel, you put your hand down, you go up and down, you can hear the clunking noise. I'll shake the wheel here. You can see it move. If you have a look at the boot closely, you can see it move as you shake the wheel. There's a close-up. I checked the inner tie rod. I'm hanging on to it, and I don't feel anything. The inner tie rod is here, and the outer tie rod is here. If you have someone shake the wheel and put your hand on the boot and see if you feel any play here. Put your hand here on the boot. Have someone shake the wheel and see if you feel anything here. Also, you can take the inner tie rod and you can shake it. You can move it up and down to see if you feel anything. You can push up and down and pull in and out on the inner and see if there's any looseness there. In this case, the inner tie rod is okay. If I put my hand here and push up and down and push and pull in and out. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.